Good morning, Mr. Damien. Today, our group has chosen Trigger 2 and will be presented by Mahita Ganesan, Florence Divya Anapropam Prataban, Putri Aisyah Umaira binti Megad Muhammad Rosdin, and Hana Umaira binti Abdul Aziz. The overview of our group presentation consists of introduction, followed by the issue of the trigger, recommendation, justification for the recommendation, and the last is conclusion. Trigger 2 is about embracing flexibility in remote work. Remote work has become increasingly popular in recent years, with 80% of organizations saying they plan to continue using it to cut expenses and deal with absenteeism. Now, the key question is, why companies should advocate for and implement for most flexible work arrangement and policies?
So the first issue that has been raised in order to implement the remote work is the digital inequality among the employees. Reliable internet is important in remote work settings. Unfortunately, not every employee has the same internet connection at their particular house. Some might have access to stable and high-speed internet connection, and some might not. Also, some older generation employees are not digitally illiterate as the younger generation employees. They find it hard to handle online meetings, online conferences, and technical issues during the remote work. Frequent internet connection problems and digital illiteracy could lead to meetings being cancelled, work delays, and miscommunication. Hence, this can lead to lower productivity of the company compared to working at the office. So the second issue of the implementation of remote work is communication barrier among employees. In a flexible work setup, employees rely on emails and messaging applications to communicate with others. However, it can cause miscommunication because the difficulty to convey certain tones and intents through written communication can be seen during remote work. This is because without the benefits of non-verbal cues such as facial expressions and body language, it is easy for the messages to be misunderstood and misinterpreted. This can cause misunderstanding among employees and create a toxic work environment that reduces productivity and collaboration. Hence, remote work can create more communication barriers among employees compared to working at the office.
Okay, now let's move on to the solutions. So the first solution to address this issue of digital inequality in remote work is by providing internet and also device support. This is especially important for employees who face connectivity issues or lack the proper tools to work effectively from home. The objective of this solution is to help employees by offering a monthly internet allowance or providing devices like laptops, routers, or also data plans. So how do we implement this? So step 1 is to survey employees to identify those facing connectivity challenges or lacking essential devices. So step 2 is to offer support based on the survey results. This can include a monthly allowance of RM50 to RM100 for internet or providing the necessary devices. Now let's talk about the benefits. So first, this reduces disruptions. Employees can work smoothly without delays caused by poor internet connection or outdated equipment. Second of all, it increases productivity. Better tools and stable internet lead to smoother operations and also improved efficiency. Last but not least, what's the impact? Research by McKinsey shows that companies investing in their employees' digital access see up to 25% of improvement in work efficiency. This is a big win for both employees and also the organization. The second solution is digital skills training. This is designed to equip employees with the skills they need to use remote work tools effectively. The objective here is to help employees feel confident and also capable with technology, which is essential in a remote work environment. Here's how it works. So step 1 is to survey employees to identify their specific challenges with remote work tools. And now for step 2 is to provide targeted training sessions. These sessions can focus on basic troubleshooting using tools like Zoom and also Google Workspace and improving digital collaboration. The training can be conducted by the company's IT team or external trainers. And now for the benefits. The benefits of these solutions are improved confidence among employees as they feel more comfortable using technologies. Next, fewer technical disruptions, reducing delays caused by a lack of knowledge. And last but not least, enhanced teamwork as employees collaborate more effectively with better digital skills. And what's the impact? According to the World Economic Forum, companies that invest in reskilling programs see a 20% of boost in productivity, along with higher employee satisfaction. These improvements make a huge difference in remote work success.
Recommendation is to implement regular virtual meetings combined with collaborative tools, which means the company should scheduling weekly video conference to ensure all the team members stay aligned and can discuss challenges, updates, and complex tasks using real-time communication platforms like Webex, Zoom, and Microsoft Teams. Why are this is the best solution for communication barrier? Because regular virtual meetings foster face-to-face interaction, which helps build rapport and reduce misunderstanding among team members and managers, especially for complex issues. What are the other alternatives to this solution? First, asynchronous communication platforms such as Loom. This allows team members to communicate in a recorded format, giving them flexibility and reducing the need for real-time availability. Second, project management tools such as Trello and Asana for task management, progress tracking, and clear communication of project goals and deadlines. So how do we measure the effectiveness of this solution? First, by employee engagement. Track participation in virtual meetings and responsiveness on collaborative tools. High engagement indicates the communication strategy is effective. Second, feedback survey. Gather regular feedback from employees about the communication tools and method used, assessing satisfaction levels and identifying areas for improvement.
Last but not least is recommendations. Our proposed recommendations are cost-effective and impactful for addressing digital inequality and communication barriers in remote work. Internet support costs 50 to 100 per employee monthly, with one-time investment in devices like laptops and routers. Training is budget-friendly using in-house resources of external trainers among 1,000 to 5,000 per session, while collaborative tools range from 50 to 200 per user monthly with optional tools like Asana or Trello. These solutions reduce connectivity issues and technical disruptions, enhancing team alignment and workflows with minimal disruption to work hours or off days. This solution is flexible and can be implemented in stages to suit the company's needs, with productivity improvements of up to 25%, better teamwork, reduced delays, and increased satisfaction. These measures eliminate remote work barriers, fostering smoother operations and a more productive workforce. In conclusion, to address digital inequality and communication barriers, we propose providing internet and device support to ensure all employees stay connected, reducing disruptions and fostering fairness. Digital skills training will empower employees with the expertise needed to confidently use remote works, reducing challenges and improving teamwork. Regular virtual meetings and collaborative tools will enhance communication, minimize misunderstandings, and strengthen collaboration. These measures will create an inclusive, collaborative, and productive work environment, enabling the community to adapt effectively to the evolving future of work.